The most striking difference from magnetic cards is that chip cards have a chip attached on them. The chip acts as a receiver and transmitter of signal and only works with POS machines that are authorized by banks. Chip cards do not respond to illegal devices and even lock themselves if in contact with one, securing user data. Furthermore, the chip card's data capacity is 13 times higher, which paves the way for the payment services to be integrated, such as transport, health, and other public services.
In the coming time, the State Bank of Vietnam will work with the Ministry of Transport, the Ministry of Health, and other agencies so people can use public services with as few cards as possible in the wallet.
7 banks are ready in terms of infrastructure to convert magnetic cards to domestic chip cards. They account for 70% of total cards in the country.
For the time being, we do not charge users for converting magnetic cards to chip cards, and applying for the new chip card is also free.
We're not planning any additional costs for the cardholder. So this will be part of our usual upgrade for services for customers. But we have 14 million customers to upgrade, so please don't rush out and convert the card.
The State Bank of Vietnam requested remaining commercial banks to quickly have plans to convert to chip cards with NAPADs. The goal is to convert 21 million cards in 2019 so as to reach the goal of a non-cash economy during the 2016-2020 period.